So in the previous video we brought the Audi S4, we found hidden mods, the car starts, it's all looking so good. By the end of the video we're going to price up how much the Audi S4 has cost us, including the parts that we're going to buy to fix the car up. Was it really worth buying the Audi S4 from Car Part Auction? Let's find out. Let's start off with servicing the Audi S4. But before we get into that, the car needs a new battery, so let's get that checked up. Now we're gonna see if the battery is dead or the alternator is dead. Let me know what number it is. It needs to be between 12 and 14. Right, what number is it at, guys? That's why it's not starting up. Guess we got ourselves a bad battery. Right, it's time to get a new battery in. An Audi S4 battery is £140 and that's without VAT. This is not good. The bonnet is closing down on me and I can't hold it up, just like in the previous video. But how hard could it be to change the battery? 1 minute, I'd love to see someone change the battery on an S4. And there we go, we finally did it after, I ain't gonna tell you how long, but it's in, so that's the best thing about it. And now let's just see if the car starts up without any booster packs. Come on, we did it! We're about to call Audi, the dealership, to see how much it costs to service the Audi S4.
Which service would you like a quote on? Is it the oil service or the bigger combined one?
So oil filter, panel filter.
It's 465, so that includes oil filter, pollen filter and inspection service.
Wow, sorry, what was it? £420 did you say?
465.
465. Alright, thank you very much, appreciate that.
No worries.
Thank you, bye. £465 just to change the oil filter and the panel filter. You know what, guys, we're gonna do that ourselves. How hard could it really be? It's not your regular 5 litre of oil which contains, you need 2 of these because it's a 9 litre of oil. Look how quick this is. Now we're gonna take the oil filter out. 24. This main piece out. It's actually raining right now. Look at that. Got crossland filter. Here it is. Right, oil filter's done. Let's call that a wrap. We changed the oil. Moving on to the next job. So as we all know from the previous video, the vet boot lid of the Audi S4 will need changing as it's far from repairable and the locking mechanism and the wiring is all toast. As well as noticing the complete rear interior of the Audi S4 is missing, to which I spent days looking for the parts, but I can't seem to find anything on eBay Marketplace until I seen someone selling an Audi A4 Avant for £600 in black. I bet you already know what I'm already thinking. That's right, we're going to buy a donor car for the Audi S4. Time for a road trip as it's 200 miles away. Buckle up, guys, this is crazy. And that's exactly what we're doing. And sometimes you need to run before you walk. Excited for this one. Thank you. Yeah. Have a great day. Alright, take care, bye. power is it pushing?
I don't know.
Serious?
I don't know. Quite a lot, I think.
Yeah. Wow. This is proof that we made it. We're in the middle of Cornwall on RS4. Sick, innit? I'm only joking. It's this one here. The Tesco's version. I wish I had this. It's just the bug standard Audi A4 1.9 TDI. RS4 is the one to get for RS6 one day. Praise be to Almighty. So we made our way all the way back home in the new donut A4, getting ready so that we could fix the S4. It was a bit of a late one. Getting this car work done. So far we've took off all this cover off in this boot lid. To take this boot lid off, you'd have to take all these wires off, these excess wires. The thing is, the wires get connected and it goes all the way inside the car. So in this part of the video we have to change the rear boot lid. It's a big moth that was. Took all the wires off it. So we're just going to screw the boot lid off and swap it over. Wow, that was luck. Alhamdulillah. Let's smash this. Right, now it's time to get the new boot lid and install it on the Audi S4. I think we did it. Now we're going to see if the boot lid closes and it matches up to alignment with how we did it. Let's try this out. Moment of truth. Yes! Look at that for a fit. That looks so much better now. Check this out for a fit. We're going to connect all the wires back onto the boot lid to see if all those errors that come onto the dashboard when starting the car up, because that's one thing that did show up when we did start the car up. And I'll show you guys right now. Right brake light, left rear light, left reversing light, number plate light, rear right signal light. There is 8 things to connect onto the boot lid, and let's just see if we can get rid of all those lights. That's my favourite thing about this door. Look. Voila. So now with all the interior fully empty, we've fully stripped out the Audi A4 and we're going to put all the parts into the Audi S4. Now it's looking 100 times better. It's amazing that it all was free just from the other Audi A4. I didn't even know it's the same part. I honestly thought the S4 was a completely different car, different boot lid. Now to finally see if it works by the key. And we did it. I can't believe it. Honestly, it took so long. About 2 days in the end, because it was nice and sunny and I had to come back, but we did it in the end. I just can't believe we've come this far with that S4 so far, and now when the car is fully running we can start implying the modifications. Right guys, back. You all know it's the S4 now, not 1.9 TDI. So what we're going to do now is basically give the car a wash to clean detail, because the engine's looking absolutely filthy, so we're just going to do a proper detail. Now we're going to try Maguire's hybrid ceramic wax and wash in an S4, see if it does the job. So 3 of these and half of this. Check the spare wheel. Happy days. This will be crumpled, but it looks perfectly fine. So clearly from the collision, it was only the boot lid that got hit, but it's looking, obviously we've got the new tailgate now, and that's why it's all good. We can repair this bumper, get it, sand it down and spray it. We do need a new one of these, so I'm not sure where we could find one of these on the market, but it's going to be a bit tricky. But we will get in touch with the Audi and see what happens. Start scrubbing the car with the wax and wash. So before, you'll see, when the water's drying up, you can still see the marks and stuff. But we're hoping that this wash and wax will show the beading.
Soapy. Smells good though.
Oh yeah, it does smell good, doesn't it? So this is that's the end product of using the wax and wash. As you can see, the beading is actually showing now, which is pretty good. That is. I'll show you guys right now. That is absolutely madness. So in order to get this, we had to do it 4 or 5 times to get this effect. As you can see, the result speaks for itself. So that is the side that we cleaned, that's the side that we have not cleaned. So if you can see the difference right now, the red is really popping off on that side. You can see like you can just tell the difference between that. It's more vibrant compared to this. There's still a lot of dust, you'll see. Look at that in between everywhere. And if you look at the clean side, it's just a lot more cleaner. Right, let's get that side done and then we'll see how it looks after, but that is a big difference. We're gonna restore the headlights on the Audi S4, but we're gonna do it against TA Motors Taha.
Bing bong.
So we can see who does it better. So rock, paper, scissors on which side, because obviously this side looks a bit worse than the other side.
Rock, paper, scissors, and then on go, yeah?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. 1,
Rock,
2,
paper,
3,
scissors,
go. You get the bad
Alright,
side.
yeah, that's
Let's go!
You're getting smoked.
Okay, alright, no, he's getting smoked. And 3, 2, 1, let's go. I think water got in there since we've been starting to do it.
Cheers.
And don't forget, the loser has to do 20 pull-ups. So let's see who wins. We'll let you decide, obviously. Right.
I hope you get smoked.
Okay.
I will laugh so much.
This one is Taha's. Put in your votes in the comment. That is how his one's looking right now. There's my one, yeah? Now, I want to explain to you guys. You see that dot there? Look at that.
Excuses rolling.
Look at that. Look at that. There's steam inside there. And look at this. Look at that. That's water inside. Steam. And because of that reason, you guys decide which one's better. Taha's, TA Motors, or Hoodstigs. Let's do that again.
I should put either T or H.
Yeah, T or H. Again, there's that one, and then there's that one. Alright, we'll find out down in the comment section. Right, it'd be good to share with you guys. So the S4 cost us from Copart with fees £3,500. Now we brought an Audi A4 shell, £500. And obviously we used that as a donor car. We got the tailgate, we fixed that. The rear lights were from eBay. 60 quid. Service, we got the engine oil, the oil filter. Service was basically 110 quid. One of these S4 in mint condition on the market today, you're looking at basically £8,000, right? That's how much we spent so far. That's how much it's worth. Let's see how much more we spend and we can beat that price for an S4 with better mods, better condition than what it's worth. So that's the plan, let's keep it going. Right then guys, that is the end of the S4 build of today's episode. The car is fixed, the boot lid is sorted, the car is on road. So next video we're going to do a test drive, take it out for a spin and see how that V8 rolls. But guys, thank you so much for the support. It's been absolutely madness with how you guys are commenting, sharing the video, and just non-stop helping the channel out. It really means a lot. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit that bell notification, stay tuned for the next episode because we can only go upwards with the S4 build. So stay tuned on this one guys, it's going to be madness. Again, may the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Peace.